What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to create your first sign-up form in the Mailchimp. For that, the process is very simple. First, log into your Mailchimp account. The link will be in the description. Make sure you check it out. All you have to do is go and locate this form on the left-hand side. Just go ahead and click on that, and you will be able to see different sort of. Here, you can see the popular forms. For example, the search of sign-in or sign-up form. So you'll see plenty of forms over here. It's like one that goes with your requirement, and click on that. And then you'll see different stuff. For example, sign up form over here. Go ahead and click on that, and then you will be, for example, the other one over here as well. And then you will be able to add the details. For example, form name. We can say sign up audience. Go to the builder, and then we'll move forward to the editor part. Here we can edit the email address, indicates requirement, and on where the button says subscribe to it. So all of this is and go to the settings, subscribe button. You can either change it. You can say send, and it will change automatically. So these are all the things that you can add it on your own, and then you can finish it later. So you can save the any sort of update that you make it in the form, and then you can continue if you want to. And then you can go to all forms, copy the form, and publish it. I hope you found this really helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.